The following contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match and is for the Extreme Championship.
This guy is ready for a fight. It's a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
The title is on the line here in this match.
And the champ is certainly going to have an uphill battle, that's for sure.
The pressure is on for the champion, looking to cement himself as one of the best of this era with a big win tonight.
Introducing the challenger from San Salvador, El Salvador, weighing in at 228 pounds, Gilberto Anthony. And introducing the champion from Twin Falls, Idaho, weighing in at 219 pounds, he is the Extreme Champion, Castro.
A fully confident challenger in their corner, absolutely hell-bent on capturing the title.
You have to forgive me for the lack of information on this title, but I have heard that it's highly coveted.
Well, my sources sent me a VHS tape of this title's greatest matches, and there were some all-time classics.
Really? Hey, can I borrow that tape, Corey?
Absolutely not, Saxon. I'd be doing a disservice to my sources.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. He's got to know he's in harm's way here. Here we go. Diving brain chop. Rolling neck snap. Producing a trampling. Another knee drop. Turned that one around. Boom, what a punch. You know, a Falls Count Anywhere match is a really exciting opportunity. It really allows you to get creative and take the action to somewhere you have the advantage.
That
certainly one way of looking at what many would characterize as an incredibly dangerous match type.
Enough already. Oh, man.
Makes him pay with a counter. Ooh, well-planted knee. Ouch.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation for the crowd and get back into the fight. Nice recovery. The champ getting put on the back foot here. Oh, look at the knees. Burying knees into the body.
Yeah. Oh, a nasty stomp to finish it off. Look at this heel hook. This is how you punish your opponent, and he's enjoying every minute of it.
Harlem sidekick. The champion's down. The champion's down.
Oh, my God, we have a new champion. They got close there. It could be do or die time.
Gets him with the counter.
Precarious position for both superstars. Oh, gosh.
Oh, my goodness. Champ's got the pin to retain. Gets the shoulder up after one.
He is certainly sending a message, getting his shoulder up before two.
Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German. Sliding back in from the floor now and returning to the ring. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. 1, 2. Kicks out.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
He's a projectile now. Out of the ring. What's his plan here? Look at this. Boom. Nice.
Trapping their opponent's arm.
Crossface submission time.
I think the champ's got it. This one's over. Tap out coming.
Whoa, this is surprising, Byron.
Yeah, I'm not really sure why he would let him out right there.
Shoulders down. 2. Oh, it's still no! Title's still on the line.
Both competitors digging into wells they didn't even know existed.
Oh, nice takedown. We'll lock it in. Bell lock. Bell lock is in.
He's got it locked in.
He may not have a choice. He may have to tap out.
It is locked in way too tight. There is no escape.
And he may have felt his grip slipping, so he releases the hold.
Still was able to produce some considerable damage, though.
He'll slide back in the ring now. He'll take things into the ring.
Makes the cover. 2, 3.
The champ retains.
A lot of good action in that one. Here's another look.
She's on my wish list. She knows my pressure points so hard. She gives me kisses. Her glitter gets everywhere. I've got my issues.
say they didn't give it their all and then some to achieve this victory.
I don't know if I'd say the battle scars were worth it, Cole, but I will say the one who did it to them isn't the one celebrating right now.